Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening door number 18 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2022, which is LEGO set 75340. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box, and this is the bit where the doors are and your display area. We'll start off with a quick recap. So we have a Republic gunship, which is quite a nice little build. Door number 2. Trying to find it. There we go. It's a Clone Trooper Commander. Quite cool. Door number 3 is a droid tri-fighter. Door number 4 is the Acclimator class assault ship. That's quite cool. Door number 5 is the battle droid. Roger. Door number 6 is the Bad Batch shuttle. Door number 7 is Luke's land speeder. If you see, some of these I have put all these spare parts on the build, so I don't lose them. So put the land speeder behind there. Door number 8 is the T-16 Skyhopper. Quite a nice little build. Door number 9 if I can find it, there we go, is C-3PO in his Christmas jumper with R2-D2 on it, which is quite nice. Put him there. Door number 10 is the Moisture Farm Vaporator. So there we go, it's quite a nice little build. Door number 11 is the T-35 Speeder. It's quite cool. Door number 12 is Darth Vader with his ball for the beach, and he's got his summer top on. That's quite cool. What number I was on there? So door number 13. Which is the Imperial, which is Darth Vader's sandcastle and the bucket and spade. That's quite cool. We'll put the ball on. So we'll put the ball on there. Put the ball on there. So, and Darth Vader's got flippers as well. So that is quite cool. Door number 14, which is the B-wing bomber. That is quite a cool build, quite a cool mini build. Put that there. Door number 15 is the TIE Interceptor. That is quite nice, I do quite like that. It really does look good. door number 16 is the armoury. As I have checked that on, I've checked that with the guide. I reckon it's an Imperial armoury because it's got the mouse droids in it. So, and you get 2 mouse droids with it as well, which is quite cool. The mouse droids are those little mini things that run around the Death Star and all Imperial sites. The ones Chewbacca yelled at and one ran off in the original in New Hope. So we got door number 17, which is the Snowtrooper. That is quite cool. I've always liked those Snowtrooper helmets, and the actual Stormtrooper toys actually came with a an Action Force gun repainted, which is an interesting fact. The original ones came with, so put that there. Next we have door number 18, which is the main event of this video, which is up here. I'll just get that open. And we have one of the gun emplacements from the Rebel Hoth base. Try and show you that picture if I can. Right, open this up. These always look really cool as toys, but in the film they're not very effective against the ATATs, which is quite ironic really. So I'll start building that. You start off with a base unit, like a white base like that. Then you have 2 white cheese pieces which go on the bottom. Like so. Not sure if you can see them or not. So next you have two grey 2x2 round base plates which go together like so. They go on the top there. Then you have a white 2x2 round brick which goes on there. Then you have a black 2x2 round flat with a stud in the middle. So it looks like that. Next we make the turret, which is a 1 brick with the studs on all sides, apart from the bottom. Then you have 4 2x1 white roofing pieces which go on like that all the way around. I'll show you that in a minute. That goes there, so they go on there like that. As you can see, try to show you that slightly out of the light. So, but then you have a round 4x4 flat piece like so, and then you have a there's some lights. No, it's not a light. It's a telescope piece which goes on that one side like that, and that goes on top there. And there you have your Hoth defence gun, which is actually not a bad little build really. It's not quite to scale, but you could actually, if you put it next to a minifigure, like so, it would work quite well in any for battle builders in a Hoth set. So as you can see, it could be like a more portable version of it. So it's quite nice. Put our snow trooper back over there. So you've got a spare cheese piece. I'm going to stick it on the back of my gun like that. It shouldn't be on there, but I don't want to lose a brick, so I do actually think that's I quite kind of think that it works quite well. So there we have our Hoth defence gun. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. I was about to say describe, sorry, I do apologise. If you have any comments on this video, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video, and I'll try to mention them on my upcoming videos. I am on YouTube and Instagram at the moment, so if you wish to like, share, subscribe, it will be most welcome. Stay safe, keep building. May the force be with you, and happy holidays. And hope to see you all in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.